Thank you for choosing IBAB, your all-in-one business management solution. At IBAB, we understand that navigating the immigration process requires more than just forms and deadlines. It demands precision, communication, and coordination. That's why our team relies on the tools section of our platform to guide clients through every phase of their immigration journey. First up, we have the calendar, a central hub for managing all your critical dates. From new consultations to visa expiries and assigned tasks, everything is tracked in one unified calendar view. When you click on the Calendar tab under the Tools menu, you're presented with a visual timeline of all scheduled events. This allows every team member to stay aligned on upcoming events. You can toggle between daily, weekly, or monthly layouts, ensuring that no detail ever falls through the cracks. You can add event venue to specify where the event will take place. We use delivery methods to specify how the event will be conducted. Event categories is used to classify the event based on its purpose or type. We can add a new event by clicking on Add Event button, then a form will appear. Choose roles for who the appointment is for and the appointment is with, and select a specific user. Then define the start and end time. And choose an event category to classify the purpose, example, visa filing, appeal hearing. Set a venue and delivery method, in-person, phone, online. Add event details for internal notes or reminders. Toggle customers. Notification if you want the system to alert the customers automatically. You can manage a single event by clicking on it and use action buttons to download, delete link activities, add invoices, notes, payments, and tasks to a specific event. This tool ensures that every visa and other customers' cases, no matter how complex, is backed by structure, coordination, and real-time visibility. Next, let's look at the Notes tool. The Notes tool is our digital notebook, capturing every key moment in the immigration journey, calls, updates, and internal actions, ensuring nothing is missed. It keeps all information time-stamped, organized, and linked to the correct case for clear, continuous customer support. Let's say a caseworker schedules a customer's biometric appointment and confirms payment for priority visa processing. That update is logged instantly in Notes, creating a record for future reference and linking a task for the compliance officer. From there, the customer's application record is updated and the submission timeline is adjusted accordingly. This level of detail helps us deliver proactive service and maintain complete transparency across the team. Use the plus icon next to any note to reveal actions like Edit to update details, View to read the full note, Download to save the note as PDF, Add note to attach follow-ups, Add task to link a new task, Delete to remove if no longer needed. We can create a new note by clicking Add Notes button at the top right corner. Select a role and user, set the start and end time, the system calculates total minutes, and enter a clear subject and description. Ensure end time is later than start time for accurate tracking. The Notes tool is essential to our workflow at AWS, transforming daily interactions into organized, auditable records that ensure team alignment and clear communication throughout complex immigration cases. Our Tasks tool is key to managing every detail of an immigration case, from booking consultations and uploading documents to scheduling biometric appointments, ensuring no critical action is overlooked. To view all active tasks, we go to Tasks. This opens a full table with clear columns like allocated for, who the task is about, and allocated to, who's responsible for completing it. For example, when a new lead comes in, a lead manager is automatically assigned a task to book their initial consultation, complete with a due date and reminder. It's all part of a seamless, structured process that keeps our team proactive and our customers informed. Click the plus icon beside any task to reveal action options like Edit to make changes to task details, View to open the full task description, Download to export as a PDF for records, Add more tasks to create follow-ups linked to the current task. Add note to attach context or updates. Delete to remove the task if no longer required. Creating a task is simple, fast, and customizable. To add a new task, We use the Add Task button at the top right. Select Allocated for Roles from the drop-down and search the specific person you want to allocate the roles for. And also select the Allocated to Roles and search for a specific person. Select CC Recipients for visibility. Select Recurring Settings for tasks that repeat. Provide subject and description to clarify the task. Provide the due date and time for a better tracking. Set priority level to indicate the priority it can be, from low to urgent. Set status, it can be pending, in progress, or completed. And provide attachments to provide reference files or documents, and also choose if you want to use the task as a bring forward date. Once saved, the task appears instantly on the dashboard, ready to move the case forward. You can also update task status and send a reminder by clicking on the task status and filling the form. The task tool isn't just about staying organized, it's about delivering reliable, high-quality service at scale. It connects our team's actions to customers' outcomes, ensuring every step is tracked, transparent, and completed on time. Because immigration isn't just a process, it's a journey. And every task we complete brings our customers one step closer to their goal. Next, we have email at every stage of the immigration journey. Communication is key, from the first welcome email to the final outcome letter. The email tool in our platform keeps everything centralized, professional, and fully traceable. It allows you to send official letters, reminders, and personalized updates, all from within the platform. We use templates to bring consistency to every message. We use two types templates, email templates and letter templates. Our team use email templates to deliver fast, professional messages, whether we're requesting documents, booking appointments, or notifying customers of case updates. Templates help us stay compliant, consistent, and efficient. We can organize templates using main categories and subcategories. New email templates can be created, categorized, and saved for future use. For example, if we're working with a customer and need to request documents quickly instead of typing from scratch, we select a pre-approved email template and adjust a few details to send as an email. Our team also uses letter templates. When a formal tone is needed, such as for compliance updates or file reviews, we use letter templates. These are styled as formal letters and sent via email. Click Letter Templates to view a list of saved formats. Use categories to organize them by purpose, for example, file review, visa appeals. You can also add new letter templates for future use. For example, a file review letter template can be pre-filled, categorized under compliance, and ready to send when a review date approaches. Using email templates makes sending an email easy. To send a new email, click on the Send Email button. And in the pop-up window, select role, choose who you're emailing. Use the search field to find a specific user. Enable the CC field if you need to copy someone else. Choose a sending method. Email for standard messages, letter for formal, letter. If using an email template, choose from the list. Main category, subcategory, and template subject will automatically populate. Update the relevant details. For example, select the main category case outcome. Choose the appropriate subcategory and subject, successful visa application, and the template will populate automatically. Simply update the customer's information and send. We support our customers every step of the way, from their initial assessment to final decision and beyond. One of the key tools that enables this seamless support is the workflow module in our platform. When the workflow module is toggled on in module settings, it activates powerful features appearing under Tools Workflow, within Customers Details, and in Settings. This sets the stage for streamlined end-to-end case management. Before our team can begin using workflows with customers, we define the process steps under Workflow Settings. Here we manage all workflow stages, both system-generated and user-defined. System-generated steps are pre-built and essential parts of our compliance structure. Additional steps are fully customizable, allowing us to tailor workflows to different service lines or customers' needs. Workflow setting shows total workflow days. That helps to define the full span of the process. Then set workflow completion stage, which indicates the final milestone in the process. Each step includes step description that outlines key actions for our team, step acronym, a clear compact label, max 20 characters, days, how long the step should take, and task description, drag and drop reordering to adjust the sequence as needed. Steps must be deleted in reverse order. Once configured, we simply click update to lock it in, creating a reusable process for every customer's journey. For example, a typical customer's application workflow might include Step 1. Instructions and questionnaire, gathering initial info from the clients. Step 2. Required documents, sending a checklist and receiving uploads. Step 3. Online application, completing application forms on the relevant portal. Step 4. Draft cover letter, preparing supporting documentation. Step 5. Advisor manager approval, internal review and sign-off. Step 6. Client approval, getting final confirmation from the client. Step 7. Application submitted, official submission recorded. Step 8. Declaration forms, sharing forms for client signature. Step 9. Biometric appointment, scheduling and confirming biometric details. Step 10. Upload all documents, final upload of all supporting materials. Each of these steps allow our team to track progress clearly and efficiently. Now that we have defined steps, we can effortlessly manage all of our customers' cases. We can head to roles and click on customers menu. Use action buttons like invoices, events, customer management, customer detail, emails, immigration, activity management, notes, payments, and tasks. We can add and manage all of the important case or business matters on the activity management page, where they are organized by type, category, and global scope. Once created, activity can be assigned to customers using the activity management feature. The first activity added is automatically set as the default, indicating it is the active matter for that customer. Once the default activity is saved, we click on Start Workflow, triggering a form that outlines all workflow steps predefined in settings. The customer's activity matter is systematically tracked through a workflow that outlines each step of its progression. For every step, a task is automatically created and assigned to the account manager, who also receives an email notification with task details and deadlines to ensure effective monitoring. From here, our team uses checkboxes to track completed steps, confirms a manual start if the process wasn't auto-triggered, acknowledges if the initial payment hasn't yet been received, clicks update to activate the workflow. A real-time progress bar begins counting down the days remaining for each step, keeping everyone aligned and accountable. Upon completion of the current step, a task will be automatically generated and assigned when the next step in the workflow is automatically created. We can send an email to the account manager from within the workflow to inquire about any pending or overdue tasks. And to see the bigger picture, our team navigates to the workflow page under Tools. This centralized dashboard gives us a full overview of all active workflows across the company. By clicking the plus button next to any entry, we can view or delete that specific workflow. At the top of the page, we have powerful tools to filter workflows by status or date and download reports, view performance summaries to measure team productivity. The workflow module isn't just a feature, it's the engine behind how we guide customers through the complex world of immigration. From document collection and appointment booking to compliance reviews and final approvals, every task is tracked, every deadline is clear, and every team member stays aligned. Because when you're managing life-changing journeys, every step matters. Contact us today to discuss how we can collaborate for mutual success.